Hi friends! It's cooking time and I'm going to cook Pancit Guisado or stir-fried noodles. Here are the ingredients. To start, I usually fry the fatty part of the pork to extract its oil. Then lightly fry also the meat. Now move them aside at the other side of the pan and then saute the spices. I have to saute first the garlic until golden brown. Then the onions. Now mix the meat and the spices. Then I will add the shrimps. Be sure to clean the shrimp very well. Remove the veins. We have to devein it. Then let's season it with salt. And let's simmer it for 2 minutes. Let's add the pork liver and stir it. I will add ground black pepper and simmer it for at least 3 minutes. Now add water and also soy sauce. Then stir it well and let it boil. At this time, we have to add all the vegetables, carrots, chicharrook and choy stalks, bell pepper and sayote. And then we have to simmer it for at least 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the cabbage, kinchay leaves, and the fresh pancit Mickey or fresh noodles. Mix them well. And look, I love the color and it smells so good. And we can simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that it's ready to serve. Now here is my delicious Pancit Guisado. Thanks for watching.